Did you know the fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters in the world? But what if you could refresh your water without harming the planet? Introducing Rewear, a sustainable clothing exchange platform where you can swap your or redeem pre-loved fashion, reducing waste and saving money. Join the movement. Browser, sign in. If you are a new account user, sign up. Username, password, email, phone number, location, and sign up. Further completing it, if you are a old user, username, password, sign in. Now let's check about dashboard. Dashboards. In the dashboard, we can see here the name Sarah Mitchell, the earnings, items sold, active listings, and followers. Now let's see about detailed item page. Here are the items which we can buy from it, and they are the reusable clothes. Now we will see the new item page, the clothes we have listed. Here there are the clothes listed. Now it's admin role. Moderate and approve. Reject item listings. Here you can add the listings and delete the listings. Thank you. Age. Perfect. Here we have given how it works. You can see the steps and also confirm if you are going on the right way. The users count and the suggestions of user. Now it's the advantages of a Rewear app. Environmental benefits. Reduces textile waste by promoting reuse of clothes. Encourages eco-friendly behavior among users. Supports slow fashion over fast fashion. Here are some user benefits too. Users can earn money by selling unused clothes. Easy access to affordable fashion. Promotes a minimalistic wardrobe and decluttering. Option to swap clothing with others, not just sell. Now, some pros of this Rewear app. No need to handle inventory. Fast selling possible. Minimal overhead. This can be buy sell model. Revenue streams. Resale margin. Buy low. Sell at higher curated price. Shipping and handling fees. Cons. Require storage, inception, and shipping centers. Higher operational costs. Thank you. This can be beneficial for students also, as it saves money, earn extra income, promote sustainable living, explore fashion without guilt, build community, learn entrepreneurship, useful for fashion design students, host campus drives.